Good day! Today we will tell you how you can use the multiple dashboards feature. With it, you can create folders and albums in your application. Let's call our main dashboard Albums. Let's add dashboards that will be our albums. Add dashboard buttons, which will lead to dashboards. The first album will be about cars. Let's call it Cars. The second album will be called Body Art. Now, let's direct dashboard buttons to the corresponding dashboards. And let's call them accordingly. Now, customize our dashboard buttons. Here is our first dashboard button that takes us to the car's dashboard. Let's go to this first album and add photo galleries there. Upload your background image to this album. Let's add the first photo gallery and call it BMW. It will be dedicated to cars of this brand. Customize it. Copy the gallery, name it Mercedes, and customize it. Our album is ready. Let's put a back button on the app bar of our album. Now, let's fill the second album, Body Art, with content. Create a photo gallery and call it Tattoo. Customize it and upload the content. Copy the photo gallery and call it Piercing. Change the background picture and content. Put the back button on the app bar. Now let's change the color theme to dark. Let's change the layout of the content inside photo galleries by putting them in one column. Our album is ready. Thank you and good luck.